My name is Peter Clark, and I am a blacksmith, and I make hand-forged skillets and cookware. The bulk of what I do is cookware, so carbon steel skillets, copper skillets, and saucepans. And I utilize a method of metal spinning to form the bowls or the pans themselves, and then blacksmithing and forging to do all the handles. It was driven by passion and interest. Passion for the old ways of making things, and interest in creating something that really worked in everyday lives. Well, I've been a maker all my life. I used to do residential interiors as a woodworker. Yeah, what makes me really unique is I've combined both the arts of metal spinning, blacksmithing, and with the copper work, hand tinning. So those are kind of three independent trades that I've brought together in myself to offer. I've had an interest in materials since I was a little kid, just the way materials worked. Through my career, I've been a landscaper, I've been a fine interior home furnishings builder, I've been an architectural interior builder, I've built homes, log homes, kind of all things doing with dwelling and sculpture for interior and exterior space. And the skillets for me are kind of a culmination of all of that, because it, like I said, makes it more accessible for people. It's bringing artistic and creative and handwork into everyday life, and it's adding value to a really mundane thing as a skill. Functional art is what I like to call it, which people would term as craft, but there's a difference. You know, craft is, in my mind, kind of the skill that it takes to get there. The art is how you put it together and the things that you think about while you're doing it, such as you comment on the way it feels in your hand. I mean, that is all by design. It's not an accident that it comes up. It's like, well, I want it to feel better. I want it to have an aesthetically pleasing line and embody some of the things that I just enjoy based on aesthetics. But ultimately, it's really about how it functions. They're blown away that anybody's doing this anymore. That's really it. I mean, they look at it and a lot of people say, well, you buy these pans, right? And I'm like, no, I make everything. And I've made everything to make everything. So they're pretty astounded that somebody's actually doing this anymore. I am descendant from one of the people that was on the Lewis and Clark Corps of Discoveries, John Shields. And he came right through here. And he was also the medic for the Corps of Discovery, and he was a blacksmith. On my dad's side of the family, his grandfather was a pattern maker. If there is that genetic kind of coding or disposition for certain things, I'm living that. I make the patterns for all my tools and skillets, and then I do all the blacksmithing, and so I am truly a maker. Everything's based on time. How long does it take to make? How fast can we make this? How cheap can we make this? How thin can we make this? So that it can be produced. And built-in obsolescence and planned failure and all of that stuff is part of current consumerism. And there's a really nice kind of backlash against that from people saying, enough. I want to buy it once. I want it to last forever. And I want to, I'll spend more money on it because I'll never have to buy another one. And I love it. It's beautiful. Out of the last, say, 12, 15 years, maybe 15 years, there's been a nice upswing in people really valuing craft and really valuing artistry and handwork. Are they nonstick? That's like the question. So are these nonstick? The answer is yes, with a caveat. It's a pan that you season. So it's carbon steel, and the carbon in the steel reacts with the oils that you cook with, and that forms a really slick surface that's constantly evolving, and that's your seasoning, similarly to a cast iron pan. The beauty with my pans is they start out much smoother and much more fine grain, so we don't recommend people have to season it to start using it. They can just start using it, but cook with a lower heat, and you'll find that your eggs slide right out. You can sear a steak in them, you can put them in the oven, you can, we talk about cooking Dutch babies with this, which is that big German pancake. They're fantastic for that. It's, as far as a natural way to cook, absolutely elemental. There are no chemicals in there that are not foreign to our body. It's carbon, it's steel, it's phosphorus, and it's manganese. That's it. And the blue coating that you see is done with heat, so that's a natural finish as well.
So what do you love about your life?
Everything. I love where I live. I love my wife. I love what I do. I love how I get to spend my days.